this is Chichay, and today we are in Pandora Spring Resort, but I don't see any springs here, so I think I'm gonna call it Pandora Springless Resort. So for today's vlog, I will be the one who will show you the whole resort because Ned is not here. So only sister Zoe and I will gonna stay here overnight. So we're gonna check the room, the pool, and the other stuff here at the resort. So let's go and let's check it out. So let's check out the room. This is our room number 2. So this is a superior room, and this is made of wood, bamboo. And this is our room. It's simple. Oh, the aircon is not on yet, so I'm gonna turn it on. It says Samsung. I don't know if this is an inverter or not. And this is the TV. I hope it will not fall. And this is our luggage. This looks like a king-size bed. The light. This is the cabinets, dresser, and they also have a fridge, sink, and a stove. So if you want to cook your own food. And by the way, they don't have their restaurant is not open, so you need to bring your own food, or you can order food to Bamboo Babs. They have the menu here. So later tonight, we're just gonna call Bamboo Babs to order our food. Let's go check the CR. It's pink! Oh, I missed the pink house. They have a water heater, and let's check the pressure. It has a good water pressure. They also have a sink and mirror. Alright, so let's go check the pool outside, and gonna check the baby. And my baby is enjoying the hammock. Do you like it? Hi! Do you like it? Wow! Wow! Zoe boo! Wow! Zoe! Zoe boo! Bye bye! Say bye bye to mommy. Bye bye! Bye bye! Flying kiss. They're also open for walk-ins, but I do prefer if you have a reservation here because of the pandemic. And by the way, we are the only people in this resort right now. So they have swing, they have a hammock, another hammock there, another one over there besides Zoe. Hi Zoe! Stop picking your nose! Okay, and they have tables over here. I think they just held a party over here. I don't know, or maybe this is just a design. They got tables over here too. Look at this. And yeah, they have swing. They got the ladder, swing ladder. I don't know what that called. And Zoe is a swinger. Are you a swinger? Hold tight, Zoe. Hold tight, Zoe. Boo. Wow. Bye bye. I'll go check the pool. There's another hammock over there. And these are the rooms. These are all superior rooms. They also have other types of rooms. I will include that in the description box below. I'm starting to like this place because they have a lot of plants. In the time of our lives, there is a relaxing break. Like right now. This is their pool. It's just a small pool, but that's gonna be fine because it's only us who's here. They have a bar over there. They also have another tables over here and some dogs. Itoy! Itoy! Hi! Hello! Where are you going? Where are you going? Hi! Shh! Itoy! Yeah, the other one is in heat. And there's a chicken here. Hi, Mr. Chicken. How's your life here? Good? Yeah? Okay. How deep is the pool? 8 feet? Oh, there's 4 feet. There's kiddie pool. Yeah, because I can't swim. I'm gonna be swimming in the kiddie pool with Zoe. Okay. Thanks for the information. Have a great day, chicken. Mommy and Zoe are swinging. This is our daily life. Zoe is watching Sesame Street. Zoe, where's Elmo? Hey, where are you going? Come back here. Come back here. You're gonna fall there. Come here. I love counting. Zoe. Zoe, are you ready to swim? You ready? Daddy, I'm ready. She's watching My Philippine Dreams video. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we're going to the pool. Zoe's gonna swim, and I think she's gonna be a swimmer, a good swimmer like her daddy. Say bye bye. Bye bye. I'm gonna swim. Mwah. Bye bye. Don't pick your nose. My God. Sorry about that. She loves picking her nose. Zoe. Hey.
Give it to mommy.
No, don't give it to mommy.
Give it to mommy.
No.
Share it to mommy. Share.
No. Just kiss mommy.
Kiss mommy na lang.
Okay, we're gonna go now. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you, Zoe. Are you a walrus? Zoe. Oh, Zoe. Don't drink the water. Zoe. Wow. Kick. 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 Can you kick? Oh. Oh. Don't drown our baby.
You okay?
You okay? Oh. Oh. Hey. Auntie, you ready, Auntie? Go swim. Swim, Zoe, swim. Swim, swim, swim. 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 I'm gonna learn to swim like a little fish. I'm gonna learn to swim like a little fish. Kick, Zoe, kick. Go, kick, Zoe. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, Zoe, kick. Kick, Zoe, kick. Bye, Zoe. Kick. Go swim. Swim, swim, swim. Zoe, swim. You're swimming like a frog. Zoe, kick. Kick, kick, Zoe, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Wow. Quick, swim, 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 Zoe, swim. Zoe, boo. Zoe, boo. Zoe, 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 boo.
Hey hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.